Imagine having an AI co-pilot supporting every Scrum Master and Agile coach throughout every sprint. Let's review the AI's suggestions.
Good idea.
AI analyzes sprint data continuously, helping you identify blockers, delivery risks, and hidden patterns before they become problems. Daily stand-ups become more productive when AI captures updates, summarizes conversations, and automatically tracks action items. At Agile Yogi, we help Scrum Masters and Agile coaches learn how to use AI to coach with real data, meaningful insights, and greater confidence. From backlog refinement to sprint planning, AI helps Agile teams make faster decisions while keeping people at the center of every sprint. Spend less time creating reports and more time enabling high-performing Agile teams through continuous improvement.
Build the skills every modern Scrum Master and Agile coach needs. Learn practical AI-powered Agile with Agile Yogi.